Damn this work from home yaar. I'm always overloaded with work and get no time for myself. God save me from work from home.
Right. God save me too from WFH. What? I too am suffering from WFH. Working for hours and hours and hours. Look at all these clothes. They expect me to wash them all, single-handedly, every alternate day. I mean, I'm washing all those clothes regularly that I used to see rarely, like once in every 6 months. I can't do this. I can't take this anymore. I give up.
Handling big wash loads is a big hassle for ordinary washing machines. Presenting LG Big Capacity Washing Machine with artificial intelligence direct drive technology with 6 unique motions. Bigger wash capacity and the hygiene of steam that removes 99.9% viruses. Whatever the load, it's washing free of hassles with LG washing machines.